After 2 model years and about 1,000 deliveries to the US, Acura's given the 2019 model a few enhancements and a small price bump. The car debuted at the Quail, a motorsport gathering, during the festivities surrounding Pebble Beach. While there are no major powertrain changes, some new color options and a few chassis refinements will be appreciated by NSX fans. Let's start with the hardware, since this is a sports car, after all. Most important, there's new all-season rubber, still Continental Sport contacts with the next version thereof, the 6. Acura claims better handling in all conditions, and the way tire technology has been improving, we'd believe it. The optional Pirelli Trufio Rs remain highly recommended for anyone looking to sample the NSX on track, which is an exhilarating experience. Acura says the rest of the enhancements we'll mention shaved a full 2 seconds off the car's time at Suzuka, so take that for what it's worth. They consist of a 26% stiffer front sway bar and 19% stiffer rear bar, 21% stiffer rear toe-link bushings, a 6% stiffer rear hub, and a new software calibration for the computer-controlled bits, the SHAWD system, magnetorheological dampers, electric power steering, and stability control systems. For a car as precisely engineered as the NSX, these are relatively significant improvements. Don't necessarily expect it to shave 2 seconds off your personal best lap time, but if you're highly attuned to the chassis dynamics, the 19 NSX should offer more precise and direct feedback to the driver. No need to be precisely attuned to the cosmetic changes, they're pretty obvious. Thermal orange, a new exterior color, and the chrome beakectomy. It's not body-colored, crown the exterior changes. Inside, the leather, Alcantara combo seats are now available in blue, and the full leather seats can be had in red. While the price for the 2019 model has gone up by $1,500, Acura says that there's now $4,700 in formerly optional equipment, power seats, sat-nav, premium audio, parking sensors, and sport pedals, included as standard equipment. That sounds like a good deal to us. If you want one, the order books are open and cars will be delivered starting in October.